Do-do-do-do. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
Super happy. So nagkataon ng time na yun, parang may event.
Birthday
Yun, yung
mo.
time na baby shower.
Birthday, sinabay namin yung 40th.
Ganun. Pumunta din from province yung mga pinsan ko. Then yun, excited at syempre, boy talaga na namin kasi ang first two child namin is girl. So talagang excited to nagkaroon ng boy. So nung gender reveal,
Ayun, nagsigawan kami, wala lahat lahat talunan kasi at saka ako din kasi it should be learned last. So yun.
Smiles return into their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here.
hinihingi
Here
ng video.
comes the
Is
sun.
parang new. Tapos dinagdagan namin yung please. Actually kasi lahat sila. Ryan.
Gusto namin mag-start din ng R. So we look for a name na starts with letter R and nakita namin na, maganda to And also the meaning, it's a gift. So it's a new gift.
Kinombine namin para sa new gift.
So exactly sa amin.
Message ko lang sa kanya on wish din is, siyempre, lumaki siyang good person. God-fearing, especially respectful, not only to us and to other people. At saka yung marriage niya, lahat ng dreams niya, at saka kung ano man yung maging dreams niya, happy siya kung ano yun, at saka fulfilled, at saka successful siya sa mga chosen career niya.
Little darling, I feel
Happy
that
birthday, Neo!
I
Love you!
slowly
Happy birthday, Neo! And happy christening today.
Little darling,
birthday, Neo!
it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun.
Message ko sa kanya is maging mabait lang at masunurin. And wish ko na sana lumaki siya kagaya ng daddy niya. Lahat nasa kanya niya. So sana maging copy-paste siya ng daddy niya.
It's alright.
Happy birthday, Neo!